To replace Thermocouple A or Thermocouple B or Thermocouple C on the HCT-5H toaster, first power the unit off, allow it to cool down, then unplug it. Next, we need to open up the side electrical service panel. Please take note, if your toaster has one screw, two screws, and no screws on the bottom, you have the newer style toaster with a hinged panel. Remove the two screws, open the panel. If your toaster has 3 screws on top plus 2 screws on the bottom, that is an older style toaster. You will need to remove the 3 screws on top and just loosen the 2 screws on the bottom. Those panels are not hinged. Once you remove the 2 top screws on a hinge style toaster, open the panel to expose the electronics. The thermocouple locations are as follows. Thermocouple A, located on the green terminal block, first one here, is physically located at the very top of the toaster and runs directly across the other end of the toaster and makes a U-turn. Thermocouple B, located in the center of the green terminal block here, is located at this location, second from the top. Thermocouple C is located here on the green terminal block and runs through the bottom of the toaster down here. To remove thermocouple B from the green terminal block, take a slotted screwdriver, loosen up the 2 center screws, and remove the thermocouple leads from the green terminal block. Carefully cut the plastic zip ties along the thermocouple bundle without damaging remaining thermocouples. Next, cut the black zip tie at the black grommet. Next, remove the black grommet against the firewall and pull. Next, remove the thermocouple completely from the platen. Note, if your toaster does not have a metal protective tube inserted against the firewall, as shown in this toaster, you must install metal tube part number 7001292, which protects thermocouple B sheathing. To install the metal protective tube part number 7001292, hold as shown here and insert the tube into the bottom hole. Push in until flush with the firewall. Thermocouple B, part number 7001293, consists of 1 thermocouple, black grommet with black zip tie. With the metal protective tube in place, secure it with the black plastic grommet, inserting it into the top hole. Next, insert the new thermocouple B into the bottom hole and insert completely into the platen until it bottoms out. Then secure the thermocouple with the black zip tie. With the thermocouple B secured with the zip tie, cut the excess slack on zip tie. Next, take the thermocouple B loose end, run it alongside the existing thermocouple bundles, and insert through the open zip tie near the control board terminal block. Next, insert the yellow wire into the screw that corresponds with the letter Y and the red wire with the screw that corresponds with the letter R, and secure with set screws. Secure the 3 thermocouple bundles with zip ties. Cut off any excess. Next, close the service panel, secure with screws, but ensure the wiring does not get pinched along the way. With the service panel secured, plug the power cord into the appropriate outlet, secure. Test for proper operation.